Hello and welcome to PC Error Detective, where we solve your tech puzzles one click at a time. Today, we're diving into how to hide taskbar button labels on Windows 10. If you find our tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. First, click on the Start menu icon located at the bottom left of your screen. This is your gateway to all things Windows. From here, navigate to the Settings gear icon to tweak your system preferences. Next, within Settings, you'll want to click on Personalization. This is where you can make your PC truly yours, with custom backgrounds, colors, and of course, taskbar settings. Now, click on Taskbar from the left-hand menu. This is the control room for all taskbar-related adjustments. Here's the crucial step. Under Combine Taskbar Buttons, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Always Hide Labels. This will ensure that only the icons of your open applications are displayed, giving your taskbar a cleaner, more streamlined look. And that's it! You've successfully hidden the taskbar button labels on your Windows 10 system. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.